Hello everyone, this is Satvik and this video I'll be showing you how you can perform Kerberoasting and ASREP roasting using the help of Rubeus. So this is a cool application. So you may be having doubt like why you should only use this Rubeus when we have the in-packet toolkit where you can get them very easily. So assume a scenario where you got into a machine without the credentials. So you exploited a particular service and you got into that machine, you got a shell, but you don't have any credentials and you don't have any post exploitation stuff like you are unable to dump hashes or nothing like that. But you may sense that there may be a good chance for Kerberoastable or ASREP roastable accounts. So how you do that? So Rubus comes into place. So first of all, it is managed by Ghost Pack. So if you type the Rubus, you'll be getting their repository. But the thing with the repository is you need to compile your source from your you need to compile your binaries from your source code. But yeah, for this video you can do that. But uh, for this video I'll be just showing you by downloading some of the stuff that is already out there. So I'll be leaving the link for this as well in the description below. So or else I may not, because YouTube, it may restrict my content. So if you simply search for rubeus.exe download, you'll be getting this remote control ghost pack compiled binaries. So this ghost pack is a good they have a lot of good stuff here. So Rubus is one of them. So let's click on that and let me click on download. So you'll be getting all this defender stuff, so make sure you turn that off. Okay, so just let me keep that, keep anyway. So again, keep, show more, keep anyway. So as this is for the test purpose. So like if you want to work it, make it work on some real-time networks or real-time active directory networks which consists of EDRs and stuff, then you should do some obfuscation and this bypass kind of stuff. So that's a different story. But yeah, let me tell you what you can actually do with this. So let me go to the rubeus.exe, so which is available in the downloads directory. So now this machine is connected to an active directory network. So and this active directory network deliberately has the Kerberoastable as well as the ASREP roastable accounts. So for demonstration, and also you can do several attacks with this Rubeus. Like you can do golden ticket as well as the silver ticket attack. So in the next section or in the next videos, I'll be trying to cover all those golden ticket as well as the silver ticket attacks that you can do with the help of Rubeus. So which is going to be super helpful, because you may be in a situation where you may not know credentials, and Rubeus will definitely help you out. So if I search, you can see I'm getting all this stuff. So it has a lot of menu, guys, but now I'll be showing for something. Okay, but that doesn't mean those are only the stuff that you can run. So there are a lot of stuff that you can do. So I'll be showing you for the Kerberoastable as well as Kerberoasting as well as the ASREP roasting, and how you can use those hashes and stuff. And I'm not going in detail for the Kerberoasting as well as ASREP roasting. I already made a detailed videos of them in the past, so I'll leave the link for them in the description below, so you can go and check them out, where I explain you clearly what they mean, and I try to demonstrate that attack with the help of Impact Toolkit. So if you want to learn more about them, so I'll leave the link for them in the description below. So that's going to be a better way. Okay, so these are a lot of options, so I'll just try to simplify this for you. Okay, so I just make a note, like this is my if you follow me on my Twitter and stuff, you would have known about my OSCP cheat sheet, so which consists of all my some of the most usable commands and stuff that I use every time. So this is some of the commands. As you can see, its first one is for ASREP roast and second one is with the Kerber roast. So as like if you compare to that of like Impact, if you want to do Kerberoasting, you need to have a credentials. But here, as I told you, there is no need of any credentials. You can just get it out. So let's start with the ASREP roasting attack. So you can find out all these commands, okay, on my GitHub repo. I'll leave the link for that as well in the description below. So that is going to be better. So now you can see it's as simple as that. So I just ran rubeus.exe and ASREP roast and no wrap. So no wrap sometimes it doesn't try to compress this hash. So that's what I particularly know about that. But yeah, there may be something else. So now you can see it searched for the whole domain. So a DC dot. So my particular Active Directory network is of Mr. Robot theme. So you can see evilcorp.com and dc.evil.corp corp.com is nothing but my domain controller. And so the account name is backup. So I created an account, okay, when I created this particular network, which is called as backup, and which is an ASREP roast account, because most of the time if you take a real time scenario, backup should be running all the time. So I felt it's like that, but yeah, anyhow. So you can see pre-auth. So ASREP roasting can be done using this particular option set called as pre-auth not required. So and you can see this is my hash, and you can easily crack it with the help of a hashcat. And yeah, that's for separate part, so I already covered that, how you can do that. Or I'll just go to the hash wiki and search for ASREP roast, you'll find it ASAP. Okay, so that is as simple as finding for the ASREP roasting. So, and now let's go to the Kerberoasting. So this particular option is not required in my opinion. So if you want to save out, like if you want to save this output to somewhere else, you can do that. But it's always your optional thing. You can even use no wrap option here, so it's fine. Okay, so let me copy this. I just want to don't want to waste time running out all the commands and stuff, wasting your time. So it's going to be better for you that way. And now you can see I have one more I even have Kerberoastable account as well, which is called SQL service. It didn't printed me anything out. So if I remove this out file and no wrap, if I add this option no wrap, now you can see it prints out all my hash here. If you use this out file, it's going to print out to that particular file. Now if you can come here, you can see supported authentication types and what's the service name. And so Kerberoasting is all about SPN set. So if your account has an SPN set, then there is something going on in the backend. So that's what Kerberoasting is. So if you want to learn more about it, so I'll leave the link for that in the description below, so you can go there and check that out. So that is it basically. So after this step, so once you find out your valid hashes, you can just go and crack them, and you can use this particular credentials in order for the password spraying and stuff, which is going to be very helpful step when you're in internal network. So I hope you find this video helpful. I know this is a short video, but yeah, I'll be covering more of this in Active Directory attacks in the coming videos. So if you have any suggestions for my videos, just make sure to let them know in my comment section, or else you can tag me on my Twitter, LinkedIn. You can do whatever you want. Just let me know that you want to see something like this. I think that is it for today. This is Satvik signing off. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.